because there's a little bit of time, would you like to hear a joke? Don't tell my son I'm telling the joke, because my son says, Dad, you don't, because he talks like that, he's Australianized. Dad, you don't know how to tell a joke. And I said, shut up, son. I've been seeing the comedy since before you were born. So I know how to tell a joke. This one joke I want to tell you, very classical joke. It was told to me by my friend Raj Gupta. It is about a chicken and his adventures across a road. There was a chicken standing on one side of a road. If you know the words, please sing along. And it was a very busy road, double lane traffic. Very busy. Peak hour traffic, huh? And he was standing at the zebra crossing. Then he was waiting for a gap in the traffic. And then he saw a gap. And oh, I should have said this before. He saw something on the other side of the road that made him want to risk his life to get there. So, now this is the discussion part of the joke. What did the chicken see? That was his motivation for crossing the... Oh, first time I heard the joke, we laughed about it. And it was a very stimulating joke we talked about for ages. So to pass time, you can also talk about chicken's motivation. I'll just check on my son.